Okay, let's work on this together. I updated my system and we are able to do it. So you go to install, you type Swirl. Once you type Swirl and you click install, then the package is going to be installed in your computer. So as you can see right here, it says package Swirl successfully unpacked. So, and the downloaded binary packages are in. So this means that you're good to go. So the next thing that you need to say is to invoke Swirl in your computer. In order to do that, what you need to write is library and Swirl. You click OK, and now you're in Swirl. If you type again this, then it's going to start the program. How do I be named? Let's say you're supposed to write your whole name so we can also communicate. Then it says what you have to do. As you can see, all the different options here are the same. So let's say one. So let's get started. And now it gives you 5 different programs that set of modules, set of lessons that you can choose from. We are going to be working on number 1 at the beginning, but as you can see, we have many more that we can use in the future while we are reviewing and the material together. So number 1 for now for your swimming exercises. And as you can see now, it says, what do you want to do? Do you want to do the R programming or do you want to go to the course repository, meaning more courses? No, I want to do the R programming. And now, as you can see, it gives me the 15 different lessons. These lessons, every 3 lessons, they will be completed by you every week and will be submitted in one file. Let's say you start with number 1. And you can see right here that you have interaction with Swirl directly. So it asks me to write 5 plus 7, I write 5 plus 7, 12, great job. It gives me some information, it gives me more information. Also, what you can see every time that you click enter and you read what it says, then on the right side, right here, you can see that it gives you a percentage of the course that you have completed. So I go ahead and now it says, okay, what I want you to do is to assign the value 5 plus 7 into a variable. What I want you to see now on the environment that I just emptied, here is your environment. Once I will click here, look at your environment and see what happens. You see now that you get the information of what is the value that is stored in X variable. So here it is. So everything looks fine. I enter yes, and the next thing that I have to do is type X, and then the contents of the variable X will appear in my screen. So you see, it returns 12. So this is a way to dump out the contents of a variable. Um, so the next thing that you want to do is to store the result X minus 3 in a new variable. So Y, and I'm going to enter in Y X minus 3. So look now in the environment up here, the global environment, that y is equal to 9. Because what happened? What happened is that the operation x minus 3, that gives me 12 minus 3, 9, is the value that is calculated. Now it is stored in y. So now we are ready, and it says, what is the value of y? Well, you have to press y here in order to see the value, and it's 9. You can continue with other type of questions that are asked. If you want to leave R, you just type by. And now you're out of R. You can do whatever you want, like for example, you can send mean of x comma y, so it's going to calculate the mean of x and y here, or anything that you want to do. Now, the main point here is that you are, can say help, for example, help on me, and it's going to print, it's going to open this window right here and gives you the information about the mean. Or what you can do is you can go back to Swirl, and this is something that you want to see. What is going to happen you open Swirl. Well, if you open Swirl again, uh, then as you can see, it, it asks you, who are you, basically. You say Rena, so the same name. And now it asks you, what do you want to do? Do you want to go back to the lessons or do you want to do something different? I want to go back to my lessons. So I go back to the lessons, and what I want you to see right here is that basically it takes you exactly where you stopped before. So as long as you don't close your R Studio completely and you open it again, it will take you to wherever you were before. And uh, this is important for you to know because this means that you don't need to finish the entire homework in one sitting. So here you are. And what it does is to assign to a variable c what z what the vector 1.1 as the comments here explain to us. That is right there. And you continue interacting with the program. Now, one thing that I want you to know is that once you finish the entire program, then right here it will say 100%. And also at that point, it will ask you, what do you want to do? It gives you two choices. One is to send an email to Coursera because this specific um, set of problems was created by a professor at Coursera. Or what else does it ask you? It asks you if you want to uh, do something different. This is what it says. It gives you two choices. It says one, this, and two, this is what it says. Now, in the case that it gives you that, what you want to do in that case is to write your name. So you write your full name and it will give you an error. It will tell you, this is not what I asked you. I asked you one or two. That's fine. You need to write your name and then it will give you an error. At this point, what you need to do is take a print screen of the entire screen that you have and save this in a Word document. You're going to repeat this step 3 times for each one of the modules that you have to complete. And once you do that, you say bye, you leave Swirl, and you will submit your assignment. Okay, that was it for now, and we will reconvene with more demonstration codes and demonstration videos later in our class.